If you're looking for an appetizer that's quick and easy, I've got it. Boursin Prosciutto Bites. They're sweet and salty and oh so good. What you're gonna need is a baguette, arugula, prosciutto, sea salt, flakes or flaky salt, extra virgin olive oil, and I'm offering two choices, either red pepper jelly or peach preserves, and of course, Boursin garlic and herb cheese. I've preheated my oven to 350. Now I'm gonna slice my baguette. I'm not gonna use the whole thing because it's just Mark and I. So that's maybe an inch. Probably wouldn't go any thicker than that, but you could go a little thinner. So we're gonna brush them with oil. And then we're going to put some salt on it. I'm using flaky salt, but you can just use regular salt, sea salt. Just waiting on the oven. Oh, it's ready. So we're just looking for a light toast. 9 minutes, and now we wait. Okay, lightly toasted. We're going to take it back over to the counter. All right, so take your first piece and you're going to put Boursin cheese on it. And what's great about this recipe is there's no specific quantities. It's the amount that you want to put on. Do more or less. It is hot, so move quickly. Okay. Just the red pepper jelly is going to be a little stronger. So what do you think? This amount?
Perfect.
Okay. Okay, now we can put our prosciutto on. Okay. Next is the arugula. So just a few pieces of that, as much as you want, really. It's up to you. That one, that one. Okay. Now a little bit of oil. I put it in a dispenser so I don't end up pouring half a bottle over them. We just want a little bit. And just happen to have this beautiful decanter. And our final step is to come back with more flaky salt, which we love. Are you ready to try Boursin Prosciutto Bites?
Absolutely.
They look beautiful.
This was quick.
It was really quick. All right, I'm going for it. Now this is a lot of prosciutto, but if you love prosciutto, that's fine. Like him.
Prosciutto.
Very crunchy. Very good. Oh yeah. Excuse us, that's why we crunch.
Oh yeah, that pepper jelly, delicious. I would probably leave off the finishing salt on the top
Okay,
because the prosciutto is so salty.
that's true.
This is outstanding. What a cool combination of flavors.
I know, I really like it. I think it's, like you said, and if you're watching your salts, yeah, I'd say definitely leave the flaky salt off.
Are we bringing this to any special
Nope.
event?
Nope,
Okay.
nope. We get to eat these, and we are not sharing, if that tells you anything. We really like it.
Well, thanks for making them.
You're welcome. So don't forget to like and subscribe. There's a lot more videos coming up, and be sure to check out all my other videos. I have over 100 videos, all food, right?
That's right.
Yum. See you soon. Bye-bye.
How much you mean to me.